We're watching a storm system north and west of us that is going to slowly track to the south, and that will allow our pressure gradient to really intensify, so winds are going to be picking up, and that should help to increase our fire threat over the next 2 to 3 days here. But the farther west you go, that's where we're going to be dealing with some cooler and soggier conditions. It wasn't too bad yesterday. Seattle at 75, 85 in Medford, 97 in Redding. We had some 70s and 80s for those inland locations, so generally a little bit above average. However, Cheyenne was 10 degrees above average, and then 2 degrees above average in Seattle, even with some rainfall adding up to 13/100ths of an inch there. So our red flag warnings and fire weather watches have been posted across many of the inland locations. Again, the storm system that is located to the north and west is sagging south, and the pressure difference between that area of low pressure and the high pressure to the southeast is going to be intensifying those winds, especially as we roll into midweek here. So looking at those winds today to be upwards of maybe 20 to 30 plus in a few of those inland spots. But again, starting to pick up in that wind intensity later on here this week. 66 on Monday today in Seattle. It will be a little bit wet. These areas of smoke will be found from Northern California to Medford, also near Boise. There's a couple of fires burning north of Redding. Once again, 93 in Salt Lake City. And those temperatures as you head farther south and east will be anywhere from 10 degrees above average, and then some rain moving into Seattle, which again could bring maybe a few tenths of an inch there through the midweek time.